Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and I'd like to introduce to you our 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe XL. This one, our nice value piece on the lot, 7-seat, 3 rows, tons of space for the passenger, lots of space for the second row. Second row seats do have a nice easy pull to reach the third row there. You do have nice vents for the back seat as well. Cargo space at the back is limited when you have the third row up. However, once these seats go folded down, which is very simple to do with a strap here at the back, you could also fold the second row seat, opening up the cabin completely for cargo space. Coming around now to the driver's side of the vehicle. Driver's side has a couple of adjustability features here: height, backrest, lumbar, and the seat does move forward and back. Classic Hyundai steering wheel here with Bluetooth controls on the left, dashboard controls on the right, cruise control on the right as well, followed by a couple of media controls here on the top left. This vehicle currently is sitting at 116,472 kilometers. You do have Bluetooth audio and phone connectivity. Quick here, image of the backup camera. You do have Sirius XM, AM, FM. Here's a quick image of our climate control that you will be working with in this. Front seats do have heated seats. You have USB, auxiliary, and 2 12-volt outlets. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe XL. Hope to answer any questions that you may have soon. Thank you very much. Take care.